What's the meaning of Audrey Hepburn? Audrey Hepburn. Audrey Hepburn.
Audrey Hepburn. Audrey Hepburn. Audrey Hepburn was a British actress and humanitarian. She rose to fame in the 1950s and 60s for her roles in films such as Roman Holiday, Breakfast at Tiffany's, and My Fair Lady. Hepburn was known for her iconic style and grace, both on and off screen. In addition to her successful acting career, she also dedicated much of her life to humanitarian work with UNICEF, advocating for children's rights around the world. Audrey Hepburn remains an enduring cultural icon and beloved Hollywood legend.